Okay, so we're asked to use the compound interest formula to compute the balance. So somebody parked at $5,000. They're getting 2.6% interest for 12 years. So here's what the formula looks like. Now normally it's R divided by K. I think I'm going to put that in there because there's probably going to be a problem that involves that. Sometimes you'll see the letters switched. Instead of K, it might say, I don't know, maybe it says N. K stands for the number of times, that we compound, so the compound periods. So for instance, if we compound our interest 12 monthly, that means we compound it 12 times a year. If they say compounded quarterly, that means 4 times a year. If they say compounded daily, that means 365 times a year. So those are numbers for K. 12, 4, 365. In this question, annually means once a year. So K is going to be 1. So that makes things a little simpler. The principal, the starting amount, is 5,000. The interest rate, the R, is 0.026. You got to move that decimal 2 places to the left to convert it from decimal from percent to a decimal. And then the time in years is 12. So this is the information we're going to plug into this formula. So that's 5,000. 1 plus 0.026 divided by 1, because K is 1, and then it's 1 times 12 up here. So some students have trouble using like this type of calculator for this problem. So let me go to a web browser and I'll show you an online calculator that works easy with this. This is what we want to calculate over here. So I've got Google pulled up. If you type in Google Desmos Scientific Calculator, there's a free online calculator that works great with these exponent things. Okay. Shoot, it doesn't quite fit my screen. There we go. That's better. Okay, so I need to figure out what A is, the amount of money I have after all this 12 years is said and done. So I need to type this in the calculator. So you can actually just type it in exactly as it looks. 5,000, open parentheses, 1 plus 0.026. Then you could use this division key if you want, or you could type the slash key on your keyboard. Close that parentheses. To get up here, to get the exponent, you could hit this button, or you could hold shift and press the 6 key to get the caret symbol. And that's the exponent position. So I need a 1, and then I could click this times. Actually, the times, look, is outside of the exponent, so that's bad. Let's see. So it keeps kicking me out of the exponent when I try to put times. So I'm going to use a parentheses up in this exponent position to force it to stay up there. That may be a problem that you run into. Okay. So get in the exponent. Make sure that 1 times 12 is all up there, a little bit above the rest of the numbers here. And if you've done that, it shows you the answer right here. $6,803.59 is how much money we expect to have. We started with 5,000. We expect to end with $6,803.59 because of the interest that we gather.